In this video, let's learn how to create a printing file and mock-up images for custom bookmark. First, visit Printway website. In the catalog section, type the product name to find the product you want to fulfill. Scroll down and in the File Guidelines section, click here to start downloading the printing file and mock-up file. Open the printing template file in Photoshop or Photopea. You'll see the template file shown on the screen with all the detailed guidelines and notes for the product. The left area is for the cutting file. You can create any shape you want in this layer. The right area is for the printing file. In this section, you can design the bookmark with any artwork, text, or images that you want. For the best results, always follow the note written on the file. For example, important design should be in the blue line or the file format should be PNG with 300 dpi. After completing the printing file, you can move to create mock-up images. For example, this is your printing file. Here is how you can create mock-up images with this printing file. Open the mockup file, click on the image you want to create a mockup. For example, click on Folder 5 on the File SX Copy to Layer, right-click and select Relink to File. Choose the printing file that you've just finished, click Place and wait for the template to load. Your artwork will display on the mockup image like this, adjust it a little bit, and then you have a perfect mockup image for your bookmark. Now export the image, and that's how you can create a printing file and mock-up image with Printway template. We hope this helps. Now, let's try to make your product. Goodbye and see you in our next video.